Hi, I'm back and I'm going to now demonstrate real shungite. There's so many bogus products out there. Like we have fake news, we have fake stones, fake shungite. So you know if it's real shungite when you have a flashlight and you light it up. You hit the end of the flashlight, you hit the battery, and it lights. You take it away, no light, you put it back, light. And you don't even need a big stone. If you take a little stone like this, you can put it on and it lights up. So all of these are different products I have. This is here where we have all of these little pebbles like this, which actually, look at that one little pebble, lights it up. These are what you put in your water bottles because this is what clears the water because they want more surface area for water. And then I have like several styles of pyramids. I have 5 different types of pyramids. We have the Giza pyramids based on pi, and then the Russian pyramids based on phi. And they light up just like everything else. It lights it up. I also have these that were used in Egypt. They were called the rods of the pharaoh. And you put shungite in your left hand, and this is stearite in your right hand, and they're fabulous for meditating. If I look at the shungite, it lights up. If I look at the stearite, which is another name for soapstone, nothing. And we have balls, like a lot of musicians like to use these, or people that have arthritis, and you just put them in your hand, and it really is a fabulous exercise and activates your heart chakra, which is right in the middle of your palm. The shungite has been found, besides for water purification, for EMFs. It neutralizes man-made EMFs and enhances natural. So since it's a natural stone and you're a natural organism, it enhances your field by about 2 feet. If you have a pebble in your pocket, then when you're tested by thousands of studies by the biobiologists and geobiologists, it enhances your field and it neutralizes the EMF. That's why it's really good for cell phones. I have 2 different protective plates. I have a circular one and the rectangular one, and by putting it on your phone, it gets rid of the negative radiation coming off of your phone, the man-made radiation. Also, there are necklaces that I'm adding in that within 2 weeks will be online with different types of motifs. They're actually in progress as we speak, but there will be several Egyptian, Chinese, Mayan, all different themes, but the thing is all of them have shungite on the back. And when you wear shungite right here, it is protection. So it's a protective stone. And it's also decorative. And then I have these natural stones, which are like this, where you can have them with the beads, or just a natural stone by itself. Also, there's a pendulum. And for those people into dowsing, it's a really powerful pendulum where you can just record energies coming off of anything, like, well. And also I have rosaries. So this rosary is very popular, and it has the 108 beads, so it's also a mala, like the Buddhists use. And then if you put the beads on, you see it lights them up. Here's another one that I got off of Amazon. And if I put this one on, nothing. It's not Shungite. So you really have to test, get a flashlight and test it to make sure you're getting the real thing. If you want to learn more about Shungite, I have my website, Invisible Architecture, and so you just go there and then you scroll down until you get to the categories. You hit Shungite, and there's a 3-page article that tells you everything you ever wanted to know about Shungite. And if you go further, this book that you can access through Amazon by just reading here, it'll take you right to Amazon, is the best book on Shungite, and it has all the thousands of studies that have been done on it. There's 40,000 scientific studies. And then also this book, Stone Medicine, because what we're talking about here really is stone medicine. So get some Shungite and protect yourself from all this man-made radiation.